sukad sa sinugdanan when this started has been hearing the cry of the poor around us here in Cagayan de Oro. And San Ignacio Care for the Poor has been able to do this because of each one of you. Tungod sa matag-usa kaninyo, dahil sa bawat isa sa inyo na nakinig sa panawagan ng mga dukha. As San Ignacio Care for the Poor thanks each of you for your generosity, let this also be an encouragement that no matter how small your contribution is, in the eyes of God, it is valuable. Bisan gamay nga atong nahatag, na atong natunol para sa Ginoo, dako na gyud kini kaayo. Let us take this synodal journey together as pilgrims of hope. That's all that I could share. Thank you very much for your attention and dagan kayong salamat.